always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, my name is Cheyenne, and for those of you who are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for your continued support. So I wanted to be super upfront with you guys. I will not be decorating anything in this video. That will not be for another 2 videos out. So my next video will just be a regular clean with me, kind of cleaning up the aftermath of this. This rearrange and clean with me, that's all it is. It really took me days to do. And I did not film every single bit of it, but I did film the majority of what I wanted to share with you guys. And so I had to start by just kind of cleaning, doing a regular, just clean with me, moving that chair out of the living room. We ended up putting that in another bedroom because we just don't have room for it when we decorate for Christmas, so it always ends up getting moved. But this will be our first Christmas in this house, and we're definitely excited about it. I do show you guys what I found under my rug, and it was pretty gross to me, and that wasn't everything. There was several different times where I had to vacuum, and we also carpet cleaned those rugs at the end, so it was kind of gross. But we do live in eastern New Mexico, and we do accumulate a lot of dust. Our dogs track in a lot of dust as well as we do. And yeah, so this is a short video, apparently. I took out a lot of footage where I'm vacuuming a million times around the house, but I did leave in some of the good parts of the cleaning motivation, so definitely stay tuned for that.
We're diamonds in the dust. Oh, why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head. Fight another day, I know it.
This is where I decided to set up the fireplace on that wall. I think it fits perfectly. And right there in the corner, which I did want to explain, is where my Christmas tree is going to go. There was plenty of space for it. I'm so excited, and I can't wait until I'm finally fully finished.
It's worth it. We're gold inside the rust. Oh, I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't.
So I sped up this video quite a bit. So I didn't leave a lot of talking room for myself, but there was a lot of cleaning in here. Again, this was just a deep clean of the living room, and I wanted to give that living room a final mopping after everything was re-vacuumed and moved around. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Keep an eye out for my next video. It will be just a regular clean with me, and then after that will be a Christmas prep and decorate. I don't like to decorate too fast or too soon because then I'll get really tired of it very quickly. So I like to take my time and just kind of do things slowly. And yeah, so anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't know how to feel about it. I hope that time will show. There's something in the way that you looked up on me.